everybody, welcome back to my channel. And hi, if you're new, I'm Melissa and I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content here on this channel. And today I'm starting a new vlog because I am going back to school. I have so much nervous energy and I don't even know why. It's like I've done this so many times before, but like going into the unknown and being surrounded by people who I don't know for the first time since the pandemic, I'm just like, I don't know what to do. So I thought I'd show you my outfit. I wanted something that I knew and that was comfortable and that I felt cute in, because yesterday I got a dress from Nordstrom. It was just like a super simple dress from BP. It was really cute, but I was like, let me be realistic. For the first day of class, I'm so nervous. I don't want to wear a dress. I just want to wear something super comfortable and cozy. So I'm wearing my favorite Target tank that I absolutely love. And I have on my Lulu leggings. They're just the black lines that I talk about all the time. They're my favorite. And then the Lulu backpack I picked up in one of my hauls. But I think it'll make a super cute look. I feel like a kindergartner again, even though I've been in college for like 10 years. I don't know. No, I've been in college since 2013. So y'all do the math. I'm getting really stuffy for some reason. I think it's because I am not normally up super early and like ready to go. I'm normally like, I take a while to like ease into my morning, so I don't think I'm fully like adjusted yet, if you know what I mean. So I have one class today. It is my nutrition capstone class. So it's basically like a roundup of everything you've learned the entire degree, which I don't really know what I've learned the entire degree yet. It's kind of crazy. Like, I don't feel like I'm ready for a capstone class. I don't think I'm ready to graduate and then like enter the workforce yet. But that's what we're doing, so I need to get ready. I need to finish putting stuff in my backpack. I'm not bringing anything crazy today. I'm just bringing a notebook, my ID card, you know, stuff to get me by for a day. And then I'm gonna come up with cute outfits for the rest of the week. So I think in this vlog, I just kind of want to show you like the outfits I'm choosing this week, just to make it a little bit fashionable. And if you are watching this and you're not in college, because I think a lot of my demographic is outside of college, then these can just be like cute outfits that you wear on the weekends or after work or something. Like, you know, they're super simple, super basic. It's not that complicated. But yes, a little bit for everybody here. I'm nervous. I have so much nervous energy. I did my makeup. I don't know if you can tell. Just like a really, really simple base. And I didn't put a lip on, but I went a little bit like heavy on the eye just because I wanted, you know, some drama, something to look at behind my mask. So yeah, we all still have to wear a mask. Oh, and look at that highlight. I got a new blush, hold on. Okay, and since we're already here, last thing before I go, I got new Adidas from the men's section at Nordstrom's. Aren't they so cute? I'm not gonna wear these today. When I wear a more sporty outfit, like when I'm going to the gym, I'll wear those. I just was really drawn to them. Okay, so long story short, Nick also got those shoes in black, and so when the guy came back with his shoes too, Nick and I picked out the same shoes. He picked black and I picked white, so I thought that was super cute. So now we have matching shoes. But okay, I'm gonna head to class and I will see you guys when I get back. Friends, I am so overwhelmed. Oh my gosh. So I had my capstone class today and I'm just like so ill prepared in this major. I feel like there's so much to do to become a dietitian and I'm so far from it right now. And it just feels so just scary. Honestly, I was in a capstone class, so it's like getting us ready for the professional world, because I'm a senior and I'm almost going to be done with this program, and then you have to match for an internship, and then you take an exam to become a registered dietitian. So there's a lot going on. I'm a little scared. I just ordered some food on Uber because I have a grocery order coming, but I didn't plan it out and I have like no food in my fridge and the grocery order isn't coming until tonight. So I will do a little food haul for you guys later. And I'm going to start adding in more meal prepping videos into my content. I'm 100% keeping fashion, 100% keeping beauty. Those are like my passions in life. And probably if I could start everything all over again, I probably would have went into marketing or like working corporate in the beauty industry if I was thinking 10 years ago. However, I didn't, so health field it is, and we'll just do this as a passion project. So yeah, still doing beauty, still doing fashion, but I need to add a little bit more on my channel of what I'm doing in school and professionally, just to feel like well-rounded and like the content that I'm putting out matters. And side note, I went shopping the other day to have clothes for school And there are no plus sizes in stores still. The plus size section sucks ass, like, to be completely honest with you. So then it like reminded me of why I do these fashion videos here on YouTube. I'm like, we have little to no option unless it's online. Because some people think it's wasteful to have like big hauls of clothes and trying them on and trying to figure out what works for you, but that's like a certain population of women. That's their only option. Anyway, I'm here to represent, first of all, on that. Second of all, I want to do more like meal prep and nutritional videos. Right now, one, I'm not a dietitian yet. I just want to do like what I'm eating, like more food focused content. It's not going to be giving advice. It's not going to be telling you what you should eat. I'm just going to show you what I'm doing. I think that's how I want to do it. And maybe if I can educate a little bit here and there on topics that's like in the scope of my practice while still being a student, I'll do that. But for now, I think we're going to do that. So I literally got lost on my way to campus. I've never felt more like a freshman in my life today. When I was a freshman at UCF, I lived on campus, so I didn't have to drive to school. I didn't have to like locate things. Like my mom and I walked through all of the classrooms, everything beforehand. And so I knew where I was going and what I was doing. But like this time, oh my goodness, I just feel, I don't know. Something I'm working on is I feel inadequate way too fast. Like I feel so out of my comfort zone way too fast. And so I'm working on that. I'm gonna work on that. However, I'm making a to-do list right now of things that I need to get done tonight because I have classes tomorrow, but I have my Wednesday off this week. So Wednesday is gonna be a content day and then literally prepping for school because my life is chaotic right now. So chaotic. So I'm gonna make a list right now of things I have to get done today. Do y'all wanna see? Are you nosy like I am? Just washed all of these beautiful makeup brushes. I literally didn't know this, but when I was writing my to-do list, I forgot I had a final. So I literally stopped what I was doing. I ate and then I jumped in and took my microbiome final. Got a great grade. Then I washed these makeup brushes and now my WholeFoods order just came. So I have been like literally on the go today, nonstop. So I'll show you guys what I got in just a second. Okay, time for the WholeFoods haul. I unbagged a little bit so I wouldn't be here all day editing myself opening a bag. But okay, first thing I got, I stocked up on my toasted marshmallow nut pods creamers. These are so good. I literally got 5 because they were on sale and I was not gonna miss out on that sale. I literally use them every day, so you know. And then I got some sugar-free raspberry jam. I want to make a recipe with this. It sounded really good and it has like stevia in it, or erythritol. So I got a thing of the Alyssa's healthy cookies. These are my absolute favorite. And if you see a watermark on here, I was just washing my makeup brushes, so ignore it. I got some cage-free eggs, organic, free range, organic, whatever, good eggs. 2 things of organic broccoli. I love throwing these on a pan and just, you know, having a roasted veggie on hand. I got the grain-free churro chips. These are so, so good. You have to try them. 2 things of the Purely Elizabeth granola. My boyfriend loves these, so I make sure to have it on hand. I got the chocolate hazelnut one and then the vanilla almond butter. I got strawberries, which we need to eat tonight because they already look like they're going. Garlic, jalapeno, cucumber, green onions. Okay, so here's an overview of the pantry situation. So down here, we're storing all of our water. The bottom one is like breakfast and drink stuff and random like baking stuff. And then up here is like dinner cooking stuff. So I have like pasta, brown rice pasta, whole wheat pasta, sauces, more sauces and stocks, and then canned veggies. And then up here, I have like my snacks right here. And then breakfast stuff like cereals, jams, granola. And then up here, I have more sauce and then rice and stuff. So I need to get another set of these clear plastic bins for this row. And I'll do that eventually. But then the top is all of Nick's snacks because he eats a little bit differently than I do. Just with the PCOS, I just have to be super careful about what I'm eating so I feel my best. Here is the fridge setup. So the top thing, we keep our butter. And then I have all of my coffee stuff right here. I have been absolutely loving this coffee, and then adding in some of my Orgain protein shake, and then the Nut Pots creamer, my stevia. So good. And then I have Nick's condiments like right here, and then my condiments right there. And then some of Nick's drinks, some of my wine. Down there, we have like dairy and the tortillas, and then there's our produce drawer, and then this is like our snack drawer. So Nick's stuff like goes here, and then my stuff goes here. Just because, again, him and I enjoy just different foods. And then this is our drink shelf. I keep like a lot of my stevias and my drinks here just because like I love this stuff. My protein shakes, our cottage cheeses, and our yogurts. A water drawer, and then I just have the meat up here for now, and the eggs, and then this is my leftovers and some milks. And then here is the freezer, which you can't really see, but yeah, it just has omelets and rice and potatoes and vegetables and stuff. Also, last thing to note, I am creating a coffee bar right here. So I got this on Amazon, and I got these sugar-free syrups made with stevia from Tarani, and then I got these pumps. So I'm making a whole setup right here. I will show you guys that when more comes. Today has been such an eventful day. I am so tired, and it's not yet over. So I need to go do some more work, and then I will catch up with you guys later. But I just wanted to show you what I got in this little haul. Good morning, my beautiful, beautiful friends. How are we all doing today? It is Tuesday. I have 2 classes today that go all day. All my classes are like 3 hours long. So that's fun. Well, yesterday I did like a full look. Foundation, primer, everything. But I don't think I'm gonna do that today. I'm very tired. I'm just gonna put some concealer around my eyes so I look like I'm more awake than I am. I'm gonna look into my vanity mirror so I can see. I think you guys can see what I'm doing. So my foundation actually stayed up pretty well under my mask. The only thing that rubbed off was my nose, but I was constantly pinching my mask because when I breathe, the hot air goes up into my eyes and it's really irritating. So I sit there and pinch it. So when I breathe out, I don't breathe up. So yeah, it rubbed off there, but I feel like if I wasn't doing that, my nose doesn't hold foundation very well. It's like very slick. Anyway, I don't know why I'm telling you that other than it wore very well everywhere else. It didn't rub off my chin or anything, so if y'all want a foundation routine for a mask, I can give that to you. All right, eyes are concealed. So my teacher hit us with some of like the harsh realities of becoming a dietitian yesterday. And I forgot to tell you I had a final to do, and I don't know, I was just really stressed yesterday. It was just like constant go, go, go. I did clean my makeup brushes, however, and like, oh my goodness. I was so proud of myself. I normally just like hate doing that. I'm gonna pop a little bit of definition into my crease with my Hourglass bronzer. So I've been contemplating a lot, and I'm kind of just like talking to you guys now. I don't know if I can do it this semester because I'm so busy already. And it's only the second day. I wanted to quit yesterday. It was the first day and I had 1 class. I think I want to do 3 types of videos a week. So like 1 beauty, 1 fashion, and then 1 lifestyle, which can consist of a vlog or cooking or meal prep. So it's 3 videos a week. However, I just don't have the time for that right now. So I don't know how I'd make that work, but that's what I want to do. I'm contemplating all of my options. All right, and I'm just gonna throw something on the lid. I think I'm just gonna use another Hourglass powder. I'll use this one. This one is Strobe Powder Glistening Strobe Light. Literally the most basic look I could possibly come up with. And then I did the Artist Couture powder and Cocoa Bling for the inner corner of my eye. I think I might do a little bit of bronzer to give me a little bit of life to my face behind the mask. All right, brows done. I'm gonna do bronzer and then I'll do mascara and we are all done. This makeup would look a little bit funny without a mask, but because I have to wear a mask the whole time, this is the look we're going for. Maybe a little bit of highlight. Okay, here is the look. I'll show you what I'm wearing to school today. It's another super simple outfit. Easy breezy. Today's outfit is super simple. It's literally Lululemon Aligns again today. And then this shirt from Aerie. Ignore my desk, I need to clean it. It is a split side V-neck. It has like a rope neck part and then a little rolled up sleeve. So it just makes a V-neck a little more interesting. And I'm here for it. So cute. Okay, so I made breakfast. I don't have you on a tripod, so I have to bend over. But I made some apple nachos. It's literally just a Granny Smith apple and some walnut butter and some cinnamon. And then over here, I have my hot stuff. I have a little bit of hash browns and then a little omelet. So that is going to be breakfast for today. And then, because it's Wednesday, I have to do everything for my classes today. I need to catch up on homework and I need to get all my textbooks and so much to do. So let's get started. Here's the breakfast in all of its glory. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm in day 3 of the semester and I just want to give up. I don't know how anybody does it. I just had a breakdown. I'm like, am I even in the right major? Should I even be doing this? It's just like, I don't know how people do so much. I don't know. I don't know how I'm supposed to work. I don't know how I'm supposed to go to school and do YouTube and have friends and work out and make food and go to class every day and do schoolwork and read 5 chapters a week. I just don't know how I'm supposed to do it. I didn't tell you yet. I'm gonna go get the new, not the new, it's the pumpkin cold brew to make myself feel a little better because I feel like absolute shit. I don't know. It's like that scary feeling that like we moved all the way here and this program isn't for me, but I don't know what's for me, so I don't know what to do. I don't even know why I'm vlogging this. Like, I'm just sad and like scared, I guess. I just don't know what I should be doing with my life and if this program is the right program for me. And the people there are really nice. The teachers are nice. It's just like, oh yeah, and I'm supposed to volunteer. I'm part of organizations. Like, how are you? And with the PCOS, like, stress really affects me. Like, how am I supposed to like live? Like, how do I? And my body just gets the sleep that I need. Like, if I need sleep, I will sleep through alarms. So like, that's also a thing. Like, I physically and mentally don't know what to do. I'm stressed. How do people just like become professionals in this world? Like, how do they do it? If you're a professional, how did you do it? Oh my gosh. Like, I just want to give up. I was like looking at all my classes and I was like, how do I get out of this? How do I delay a semester? But then if I delay a semester, I can't take the classes again until fall. And then in spring is when you try to get an internship, because after this program I have to do an internship. So I'm stressed, to say the least. This day did not go how I thought it was going to go. I was like planning out all my classes. Oh, you can see my dusty car. I'm sorry. But okay, let's get this pumpkin cold brew and figure out our sadness together. If you're sad, figure it out with me. Okay, I got my drink. Let's take a little sippy sip. It's so good. You guys have to try this. I got a venti cold brew with 3 stevia, a splash of milk, and pumpkin cold foam on top. This is so good. It's just what my soul needed. I know I had coffee this morning already, but whatever. What are you gonna do? So I need to go inside and I need to, one, either quit everything and go hide in a hole or get my shit together and get shit done. So I'm gonna pick one of the two and go about my day. But I need to edit this vlog soon. That way it can go up on tomorrow, Thursday. So I will check in with you guys when I know more about my day. All right, you guys, just in case my day takes a turn for the worse again, I'm just gonna say bye here. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. This is just vlog 1 and we have many more videos to come, but I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and bye.